Whoops. Okay, you got it? All right, this is Jen's first time shooting 45. Both hands. Yeah. No. Hold on. Okay, first get a good grip with one hand. Then let the other hand wrap around it. Support. Okay. All right, there you go. There you go. All right, let's go. Okay. Remember what I taught you? Okay, get the magazine out. Right? Clear it. Good. Back in. All right. Okay, wait. Hold on. Keep it right there. Let's see if the laser works. You're not hitting the... Don't worry. Okay. Take your time. Okay. All right. We're gonna switch guns. Okay. This is too. Okay. Gun okay? Alright. Hey, you guys,
what else?
You can go one more time, and then it's probably time to go. Alright, I'm going to shoot a few off. Go one more time, then we'll go. Alright.
One by one.
Yep. Okay. All right, we're gonna switch to something easier to handle.
Okay.
Okay. 9mm.
Okay.
Go.
That's what I hear. Yeah.
Nice. Good job. Oh, good. All right. Gun is hot.
Okay.
Okay, just set it down. I'll take care of it. Yeah. What'd you think? Easier, right?
Easier. I love it.
Okay. Alright, don't open the other door yet.
How about the other hand?
All right, I'll let you load it
Okay.
the way I showed you. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Yeah.
It's your turn. I hit the eye.
Huh?
I hit the eye.
You hit the eye.
Bullseye.
Okay. All right. Go again.
Oh,
It's probably
it's my
this is the
turn.
last one.
Okay.
Okay.
The last one. Oh.
Nope, nope. Put it back. Put it down. Yep. Good job.
Thank you. I love it. Jen, on the other side, please.
Huh?
On the other side. Yeah. Okay. So, right there.
All right. I'll shoot. I guess.
That's all yours.
All right.
I hit the
It's
two
already
eyes,
in
by the way.
All right.
I got
I'm
two
gonna aim
eyes.
for that brain.
Huh?
The brain.
Okay. Wow.
He's brain dead.
Wow, it's all in the brain. Good shot.
Okay.
What
I
else?
guess we're just gonna shoot till we get kicked out.
Okay.
I want to try this 40 caliber.
Okay.
Haven't shot
That was
yet.
45 caliber, right?
40. It's a 40.
40. And that is? That's 40.
40.
Yeah.
40.
But
Yep.
the other one, the first one was 45 caliber, right?
Right.
There's a gunman holding.
Actually, you know what? I think we got time for one more.
Okay.
A big one.
Yeah.
All right.
Can you tell me my little Susie? Did you get it? Yeah.
Okay.
I got one good one.
Yeah, we're all done.
No, we're cleaning up.
All right, that's all for today, guys. We're all done.
You shoot once.
Just one. Last.
What you have in there, you may shoot.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. You want to do it?
Okay.
Okay. You want to hold it out like this. If it's like this, it'll hit you in the face.
Okay.
You hold it like that.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Make your arms strong when you do it.
Okay.
Don't put your finger on the trigger until you're ready to fire. Okay. Go for it. No, you gotta cock it.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Oh. One more. Okay.
Oh.
Excuse us, guys.
All right. I think that's done. All right.